There are lots of reasons to love cast iron, but for me, I have 3 top reasons. First, I love that there's no chemicals that are gonna leach into my foods when I'm cooking with cast iron. I love that. There's no coatings or anything like that that could flake off. I've had that happen with other cookware before. Gross. Also, I love that it's totally indestructible and it's definitely gonna outlast me. Once I buy these pieces, I never am gonna have to buy these again because they're gonna last forever as long as I take care of them. Also, my kids and my grandkids will hopefully one day have several of these pieces from my kitchen, kind of as an heirloom. And hopefully they have some good memories of all the breads and the goodies that I make for them in these. Third, I love how evenly all of my food bakes and cooks in cast iron. It's actually very hard to burn food when you're using cast iron. I think it makes the biggest difference in my baking and cooking. Today, I just wanted to showcase some of my pieces and let you see what I have and what I use them for. I use every single one of these pieces. None of these just sits in the cabinet. I use them. I use everything I have, and I love using it. It's fun for me to get out these pieces and use them. I'm gonna start with my cast iron skillets. This is a 6.5-inch cast iron skillet. This one's great for scrambling up just a few eggs, or this holds 2 eggs over easy perfectly. I use this most mornings for my husband before he heads outside. This one is an 8-inch cast iron skillet. I make my brownies in this. I love to make brownies in my cast iron. Like I said, it cooks everything so nicely and I don't burn my brownies. This one is great for homemade brownies. This is a 10-inch cast iron skillet. This is my oldest cast iron piece. I have had this for about 24 years and I've used it for everything. This one is fantastic. Now, one of the greatest things about cast iron is that you can use it on the stovetop, you can throw it in the oven, you can cook with it over an open fire, and I've done all of these with this little cast iron skillet. This is the classic. If you've never had cast iron, this is what I recommend you get first, because you can do everything in this. Saute, bake, cook, I mean everything. It's great. I have 2 of the 10-inch cast iron skillets because I use them for everything. Sometimes I have 2 of them going at the same time. Oh, let me show you this. This is really great. This is an accessory. This is the lid. You can get 10-inch lids and 12-inch lids, and this is great to go on to the top of your cast iron skillet when you're cooking with it. This fits a lot of different pieces that I have. I love the lid. Now I also have a couple 12-inch skillets. This is my skillet with handles. This thing's really great. These are some accessories so that you don't burn your hands. So let me show you without that. This has 2 handles. I really like this thing. Mainly what I use this for is my buttery rolls. I love to make rolls in cast iron. I love the look of it. I love the rustic look that cast iron gives all of your baking and cooking. So I like to make rolls in here. I make about 16 rolls in this. I have another 12-inch cast iron skillet, and while I mainly use that one to make rolls, I use this one for chicken pot pies, shepherd pies, I mean just anything. You can saute, bake, whatever in this huge thing. But that's mainly what I use this for. The 10-inch and the 12-inch cast iron skillets are the classics that if you are just getting started with cast iron, these are the pieces that I recommend the very most. These are great, and you can use them for anything. Next, I have this big old cast iron skillet. This is what I call my breakfast skillet. This is a 15-inch cast iron skillet, and this is what I can fit 2 pounds of bacon, 2 pounds of hash browns, and a whole dozen eggs fried up in the bacon grease at one time. This thing is fantastic. I use this every weekend at the very least. I make big breakfast very often, but at least on a Saturday, I will pull this out and we'll have bacon, eggs, and hash browns. So good. I love this huge skillet. Like I said, this is a 15-inch. They also make a 17-inch, but that 17-inch is really huge and really heavy. So this is totally sufficient for my needs, but a 17-inch would be really fun. Now we'll get into some of my fun pieces. This is a wedge pan. This is great for frittatas, quiche, scones, single-serve hand pies. And the great thing is you don't have to cut them, but what it's really for is for people that like the outer edge. It's nice and crispy. You can make some really good brownies. If you like the outer edge of the brownies, you can use this thing, and it's just fun to use. But I like this. I can definitely make anything that I make in this in one of my cast iron skillets, but this is fun. This is awesome to use. Next, I have my 9-inch pie plates. I have 2 of these because I always make 2 pies at one time. These are great. I love baking with these. The pies look so pretty when they're all done when you use this cast iron. It's pie season, so I've started using these a lot lately. And I just can't believe how much better I like using these than just a plain old tin or glass pie pan. And they just look so pretty. These are gonna look so pretty on my Thanksgiving table this year. Next, I have my corn stick pan. This thing is really fun. This is just a little bit different. You put your cornbread batter in here, and when it comes out, it looks like little pieces of corn. It's really fun. The important thing with this is that you oil it up really well so that your cornbread doesn't stick. It's also best to use kind of a thick cornbread batter so that it comes out really easily. This is just fun. It's fun for Thanksgiving also. Next is my 10.5-inch griddle. There's no sides on this. This is for my biscuits. This is one of my very original pieces. I maybe have had this longer than my first skillet. This thing is fantastic. I am not kidding when I tell you that I have really made thousands of biscuits on this griddle. This is my little biscuit griddle, and I'm from the South, so I make a ton of biscuits. I love this thing. This is probably like my favorite piece just because I've used it so much and I just love it. I love how my biscuits turn out on this. So I definitely recommend a griddle. This is my 10-inch grill pan. This is great for making 4 hamburgers or throwing some steaks and cooking them on the stovetop. It's great. You can also throw any of these in the grill too, because cast iron you can throw in the grill. But I mainly use this for hamburgers and steaks. This is a 9x13 casserole dish, and this is one of my very favorite pieces. I use this not only for casseroles, but also for cakes, just anything. I really like this thing. Cooks everything so evenly and nicely, and doesn't it look pretty? I think it just looks so nice. I love my food out of this casserole dish. These are my 10x15 cast iron cookie sheets. Love these things. I never, ever, ever burn my cookies when I use these. They can get a little crispy if you leave them in there for maybe 10, 15 minutes too long. I don't know how I know that, but they get crispy, not burned, which is very important to me. These are great. And it's because they're so thick, they distribute the heat so well, they bake your cookies absolutely perfectly, better than normal. And I have 2 of these because you always need 2 cookie sheets. Now I'll show you my beloved cast iron bread pans. If you've watched my channel, you know that I love my cast iron bread pans more than anything. Love these. Favorite pieces right here. These are 8.5 by 4.5 size bread pans. Like I said, none of those yucky chemicals to leach into our breads. These bake my breads perfectly. I love these. I use these for yeast breads, quick breads, meatloaf, anything like that. These are fantastic. Definitely have 2 of these because I usually make 2 loaves of bread at a time. And the bread just looks so pretty when you make them in this. Just gives it a really pretty presentation. This is a really cool reversible grill and a griddle. This fits over 2 of your stovetop eyes. This is great for hamburgers, steaks, pork chops, and then on my griddle side, I'll use it a lot for French toast, pancakes, any of that kind of thing. I really like this piece because you can make a lot of food at one time, which is important. I have a family of 6, I have 4 kids, and so we make a lot of food and eat a lot of food. So this thing's great to go over the eyes of your stovetop. This is a really cool cast iron piece. This is my 15-inch pizza stone. I make a ton of homemade pizza here, and this thing is great. I put it in the oven to preheat. I put my pizza on there, and the entire pizza is baked perfectly evenly. There's never a doughy middle. You know how that happens sometimes? Not with this thing. This thing is fantastic. So this is a fun 15-inch pizza stone. This is a neat little piece right here. This is a 2-quart serving pot. It has a lid, which I love. I love the lids. I use this to make gravies, soups, sauces. Can make just a little bit of rice in it. It's really a great multi-use piece right here. And over here, I have my 5-quart Dutch ovens. These are multi-use, these are great. I primarily use Dutch ovens to make my Dutch oven bread. You can use it in the oven, you can use it outside, you can make cobblers and dump cakes, everything with these. But I have used it in my oven, I've used it in a fire pit, in an open fire. These are great. These are great for food storage. For emergency preparedness, definitely recommend having a Dutch oven. But these are the 5-quart ones. They come in all different sizes. I think the 5-quart is perfect. I also have this accessory. that helps you take the lids off when you're cooking over a fire or it's just a little bit too hot. You can do that and not have to get down in there in the fire. So that's kind of cool if you plan on using them outside. This is a fantastic piece too right here. It didn't come with the lid. This is the accessory lid, but it fits on so many of my pieces that I love the lid. But this is a great 3-quart, it's called a high-sided skillet, but I use it for gravies, mashed potatoes, anything. This thing is multi-use and great. I use it for cooking almost daily. There's also all kinds of great little accessories you can get like this. I definitely recommend these for your skillet handles, but don't put them in the oven. They will start smoking and that is not a good thing. Just don't do it. I almost forgot to show you my 6-quart enameled Dutch oven. This thing is great. It's huge. It's great for stews, soups, chilies, spaghetti, jambalaya, gumbo. That's mainly what I use it for. Now these enameled ones are the same as these, but they're coated in enamel. They say that these are better for making acidic things, red sauces, spaghettis, that kind of thing. So I love this. I use it whenever I need a big old pot, and it is gorgeous. It has this great lid. It's non-stick. It's great. It's great for sauteing and simmering. So I love this thing and I highly recommend this, just like I recommend all of these. Hopefully I didn't miss any of my cast iron pieces. I love using cast iron. It brings me joy. None of these just sit in the cabinet. I get them out, I use them, and I enjoy using them. Now, I will tell you, I love to go to Cabela's or Bass Pro Shops because they have a great selection there. You can look around, but I have definitely found that the best prices are on Amazon. All the pieces are cheaper than anywhere else I've seen. So I will leave a link to every single one of these pieces if you're interested in any of these down in the description so that you can find them. I love cast iron. Like I said, I think it's healthier. There's none of those chemicals. And I think it's beautiful. I think it's fun and rustic, fun to use. Once you buy them, you're never, ever, ever gonna have to buy it again. And hopefully one day you can pass them down to your kids and grandkids and they will have wonderful memories of the breads and the cookies and the food that you made for them. So thanks for being here with me on Robin on the Farm. I hope that you've liked seeing all my cast iron. I will see you next time. Be sure to check out my other videos where I'm actually using all of these things. I use these a ton for my breads and rolls and all kinds of different baking and cooking that I do. So check those out too.
Robin's in the kitchen, dough beneath her hands, wheat from the fields and eggs from her land. Sunlight through the window, a warm golden glow. She's working hard to make that dough. With flour on her apron, loving each need, ground wheat fresh.